A service level agreement, SLA, ensures clear expectations and accountability for service quality between you and your clients. An SLA defines specific performance metrics, such as response and resolution times for customer support tickets, ensuring consistent service standards. By incorporating SLA features into Salesmate's ticket management, you can effectively monitor, report, and improve your service performance, providing a reliable framework for resolving customer issues promptly and maintaining high service quality. To establish your initial SLA, navigate to the profile icon, then proceed to set up. Within the Modules category, select Tickets. Here, head to the SLA Policies section and click on Create First Policy. A pop-up window will appear. Start by giving your SLA a clear and descriptive title that reflects its purpose. Then provide a brief explanation of your policy. You can also define specific conditions for when this SLA policy should be applied. For example, you can configure the SLA policy to apply only when the ticket type is customer. Please take a note that SLAs with no conditions apply automatically to all new tickets. Once done, move further to configuring the SLA target. Set SLA policies determining the expected first response, every response, and the resolution times for tickets based on their priority levels from low to urgent. Specify whether these SLA rules should be measured in calendar hours or during your business operating hours, and choose whether an escalation violation notification should run for the specific priority. For example, if a minor priority ticket's SLA is violated, then there is no need to update the higher authorities. In case the priority is not set for the ticket, SLA won't be applied for those tickets. Next up, set when the reminder notification should be sent to the users or team when the SLA for customer tickets is approaching the deadlines. Specify the time duration within which a selected user team should receive a reminder, prompting them to respond as the first response, next response, and the resolution target approaches, ensuring proactive engagement and adherence to service level commitments. And finally, set when the escalation reminders should be sent to the users or team when the SLA for the customer's tickets is breached. Define the time frame during which a specific user team will receive an alert if the first response, next response, and the resolution time is violated, facilitating prompt awareness and corrective action to uphold service level commitments. You can get an option to add more escalation levels if required. Once done, click on Save, and your first SLA is now ready. Choose the work hours your SLA should follow by setting your preferred business availability with Set Business Availability option. Simply select the preferred availability and click on Update. With this, Salesmate also allows an option to customize the reminder and the escalation notification templates. To customize the notification, simply go to the Notification section. You can simply click on the notification name to edit the notification template or hover on it for the Action button to appear. With the Actions button, you can easily edit the notification template, preview to see a preview of what users will receive, or send a test email to check the final view of your email notification, including any potential formatting issues or display differences that might not be apparent in the preview mode. After defining the SLA policy, let's see how it automatically applies to new tickets. Please note that the SLA policy will apply for the tickets created after the SLA was defined. In the New Tickets Details view, hovering over the clock icon reveals the deadlines for first response and resolution, and their respective dates. Once the first response is successfully completed, it would then give the insights of the resolution time with the respective date.